Hello, my friends. Well, we are live. No, we're recording from from our patio. Crumbl Cookie. What? It's a joke.
It's a garage.
It's our garage. We don't have a covered patio. This is where we're at. You might have seen earlier that someone had the fry bread.
Cinnamon fry bread.
This is all I got left. So we had someone.
He's had a bite already.
That's
now I'm
lies,
just gonna say,
all lies.
we were out west and we had fry bread at Four Corners.
Not
but
sweet.
It was
not sweet
bread, and it wasn't sweet or cinnamony.
It was
but
savory.
they did have that. We just didn't get it. We didn't.
I don't remember.
It was Mama's fry bread.
This is really good.
If you're ever at the Four Corners, I highly recommend it. But
this is a snickerdoodle.
no, it is not a snickerdoodle.
It's a snickerdoodle with like cinnamon butter on it.
So he said, I said, well, we ordered this week's. And I said, well, what are those? You have all of those? Because there were others, the lemon, the fry bread, and there was something else. I can't remember. He was like, well, these were last week's and they're leftovers. And I was like, well, I don't want a leftover cookie. And he was like, well, they're freshly made today. It's just the dough is leftover. So run to your closest Crumbl and
you can have the last bite, although I got very little of the other one. If you love snickerdoodle and you love cinnamon...
it doesn't taste anything like a snickerdoodle. And it was still gooey in the middle when we got it in the car. You got to go back and watch our video. My favorite was Elsie's eyes. She took a bite, then I took a bite. And I was watching it and later, and like her eyes watching me as I took my bite, because she just knew it was so good. So anyway.
So this video is going to be a hot mess because we're not going to eat a whole bunch of them. We're gonna cut these and probably share them.
Well, they're still warm, so be careful.
So what is
this
this
a
one?
Double chocolate chip or chocolate chip. It has the big square chocolate chunks in it and some salt on top. So I'll cut it. I'm
going to use some movie magic here, and we're going to put it in this other one while we cut it, because then when we do a short, you could be part of the...
We'll take you with us as we make them.
As the short. So I'm going to close it. This is how we do videos. So I'm going to take it.
We don't normally make them out here, but it's so nice outside.
It is nice out here. So, all right. I'm going to have to push this where it's out. Oh, this is a bunch of chemicals burning to keep the bugs away.
Right on top of my cookies.
On top of the cookies. All right, this is my beautiful bride. What cookie is this, my beautiful bride?
This one is chocolate chip.
Chocolate chip. Let's see here.
If you don't have the cookie cutter,
you're missing out.
You're missing out.
Yeah. Thank you, Mrs. Vactor.
Yes.
All right.
Sometimes it doesn't get it exactly even.
That's all right, though.
But I'm going to try.
All right. We're going to share a cookie bite.
Oh, the chocolate's still warm. It's really chocolatey. I feel like I need a glass of milk with that.
Well,
But definitely, like the chocolate chip, you need to eat it warm.
I would say you don't need more because we got 4 of the cookies. So the chocolate chip cookie is got to be one of the superior cookies. I mean, it's by far one of the best things they do there is the chocolate chip cookie.
Yeah, they got the chocolate chip cookie down pat. We're never not going to get the chocolate chip.
And the fact that it's got the big pieces of, you're going to be sorry you ate that. We got 4 more gigantic, and you've already had a whole cookie already.
I did not. Elsie ate most of that.
I don't think so. I think those are all lies. So, someone said they're all just Nestle Toll House cookie dough. I don't care.
Oh, no. There's no way.
I don't know. So.
They were making, this one is I don't know. It's like a chocolate chip. But it's chocolate cookie dough with chocolate chips in it.
It's probably a fudge something.
Yeah, I think it's got like, they were making these while we were in there today.
All right, we're going to make another video and you can be part of it. Hold on. Let's see here. So, here's our next short. What cookie is this, Mom?
It is fudge chocolate chip cookie. I'm going to try to make this one a little more even.
No way.
They do cut better when they're fresh.
Yes. We've done them the next day and they've been pretty rough.
It had the cookie dough on it.
Hardly even. All right, next cookie.
I want to bite.
You can pick the bite of that one.
I want to bite while they're still like fresh from the oven. And that's all I need of it. 'Cause it's very
fudgy.
Very fudgy.
Like
And it's not my favorite. It's got like a minty almost to it too.
No, don't do that. Don't ruin the cookie by saying it has mint in it.
This one's my favorite. I don't know if it'll beat fry bread, but it's my favorite.
My favorite cookie is the Fruit Loop cookie. I think Elsie's as well. So, but
It is good.
all
If
right.
you've had the Fruit Loop, you would agree.
Not Fruit Loop, Fruity Pebbles.
Fruity Pebbles. Oh, had they made a Fruit Loop?
I'm sure they do, but there's no way to make that Fruit Loops that wouldn't be stale. I don't think they're fun.
Maybe like if they crunched it up, but then it would just look like Fruity Pebbles.
All right, so here we go. Next one. Ooh, what's the cookie of the week this week?
This one is Reese's Peanut Butter.
Reese's Peanut Butter Cup.
Okay.
No way that this is going to be cut evenly. She's going to make one bigger than the other.
Always. That one's mine. I might do that on purpose.
I think you are.
Pretty good. That one was pretty good.
Not much on this one, a whole lot on this one. So, yeah, there's not that.
Oh, well, the toppings were kind of not all even. Okay. Even the cookie tastes like peanut butter.
It tastes like a peanut butter cookie.
It's good.
It's okay.
I'm a fan. It is not fry bread. That one, we sat in the parking lot and made that video. And we almost went back in because I knew we had to bring you a piece. And I was kind of worried we weren't going to make it home with any of it at all whatsoever.
Well, you didn't come home with much. That, whatever that is, the sprinkle cookie, very heavy. So that's the next one. You think you could try to get it where it's maybe when you cut it, the logo is
On this?
on this.
I'm trying to get all that
Peanut butter and everything
peanut butter
else.
and chocolate off of here. I don't think it's going to come off, but we're not sharing with anybody else.
Yeah, no one's going to share with this one, so there we go.
That's what you want?
Yep.
My
Alright.
hand's dirty.
Rubbing it on our clothes.
It's got to be washed.
All right, what's this cookie?
This one is a sprinkled, I want to call it a milkshake for some reason.
It kind of does a cream milkshake.
I think they call it a milkshake.
We should do a better job of remembering what these are, but we don't do a good job of
Well,
that.
usually I have my phone.
And we're recording with our phone.
I'm recording with my phone.
Let's see.
Hmm.
Uh-oh. It's a
Let's
hot
see
mess.
if it's any good. It's like white frosting.
Oh, wow. All right.
I mean, like, almost like a wedding cake frosting.
All right. Wait for our review.
Ooh. It's very soft, the cookie. Oh. It's like you know, they put Cool Whip or whipped cream on top of your milkshake.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Oh,
That frosting is whipped like
it's
real good.
It's real. Whip it real good. That is sweet. Ooh, that's too sweet.
Yeah, the girls are gonna. Well, one girl.
We have one girl at church camp, so she's not.
She won't be back while this is still around.
No.
But
No.
this one, Emma would have loved it.
Wow.
It's got sprinkles and it's got frosting.
We have a
But she
couple.
doesn't like Cool Whip, but that.
We have a couple of places around town that do like giant milkshakes, and that's kind of the stuff, or I would say the crap that's around the edge of the giant milkshake.
Oh, so yeah, I don't know what that. I thought they always use like marshmallow cream or something.
No, it's not marshmallow cream, but whatever it is that. So
That was good.
Obviously fry bread was supreme.
And I
This
hate
time.
that we missed that that was last week. That was just a fluke. We almost got the lemon.
And
But
we've got lemon.
We've had lemon before.
I'm surprised. I mean, I think that's probably one of Emma's favorites. But
So I will say, my birthday was last week, and I kind of thought I was gonna get Crumbl cookies for my birthday.
We were
But
traveling.
I got an ice cream cake.
We were
It was pretty good. I still have some.
We were traveling, and
Yeah, we just got back.
and
You had a long day at work.
I had to go straight back to work, and.
But I think when I looked at it, because it pops up, if you don't follow Crumbl Cookie on Instagram, you got to, because every Sunday night, like around 6 or so,
Central,
they release
Central.
the next week cookies.
Because we're closed on Sunday, so.
Right. So Sunday night they released the next week's cookies, and I think I saw it while we were waiting on the plane Sunday in Orlando, and I thought, that fry bread, it's interesting.
Yeah, I wouldn't have thought you would have liked that cookie because it's a snickerdoodle with.
But I like cinnamon rolls, but it's nothing like a cinnamon roll. It was.
It's a
The
snickerdoodle.
cookie itself wasn't cinnamony. It was the big glob of icing butter on the top.
If you like snickerdoodle, you'll love the fry bread. And I love snickerdoodles. It's one of my favorites. So
I wouldn't say it's
she doesn't like snickerdoodle because she's never actually eaten one. She just opposed
I've tried
to
it.
No, she hasn't.
There's a video. Go back and look. There's a video where I tried it.
No.
I don't remember when it was.
Yeah, I don't
it was
think
back
so.
in February, maybe.
I don't know.
Maybe.
So.
I don't know.
I would say that the fry bread was the best. The chocolate chip was the best, and then they kind of almost go in order. I would rather have the fudge as opposed to the peanut butter one, and then
Oh no, I like the peanut butter better.
and then the icing one was okay. I mean that was basically a sugar cookie, which you don't like. With
Which one?
The last one.
Oh yeah, I think it was the icing on top that I like. I really like icing. Sometimes I would just eat the icing off of a cupcake instead of eating the cake.
Yeah. So.
But fry bread for me, chocolate chip. I mean, fry bread because it's different, and then always a chocolate chip. But this one was extremely good because it was still warm because it's been in the car, and the salt on the top and the chocolate.
Yeah, I think there's. Well, I think the chocolate chip that they put a little. That seemed like there was some salt flakes on it too.
Mm-hmm.
So
it was good, so good.
yeah, salt on chocolate's always good. So
I wonder what next week's gonna be.
I don't know, but hopefully Fruity Pebbles.
These want Fruity Pebbles. Well, I don't know. We're gonna have it next week.
I'm not sure. You can look around. The nice thing is that not every
Yes.
Crumbl has the exact same thing the entire time.
And sometimes they have mystery cookies.
Yeah.
So if you don't know how to find out what the mystery Crumbl cookie is, go to our Crumbl cookie playlist. There's a short where I show you where you can find out. Like we have 3 in Memphis. 2. We have 2 Crumbls in Memphis, and so each Crumbl store does their own special mystery cookie.
Yeah.
So if you look at it on the map, like the store has the picture of the mystery cookie on top of their location on the map. I definitely don't mind going back next week and getting more.
Yeah.
Because I like where they're located.
Yeah, Athleta, they spent a truckload of money at Athleta, which is by Lululemon, which we have a Lululemon daughter and an Athleta daughter. So,
But
you know,
we got some good deals.
yeah, you know, there's the
I'm all about the deals.
there's the buy super thanks. You feel like you want to buy some super thanks for some, you know, that never gets done. I bought my new shirt at Sam's. It was $12. So.
It's very nice. You look very handsome.
As opposed to the Athleta, which was not $12.
It wasn't.
Yeah.
But
or the Lululemon, which certainly was not.
I didn't buy any Lululemon today.
That hat was.
I didn't get it today.
Yeah, but you got a Lululemon, so.
The hat is probably one of the cheapest things in the store, I will say.
Yes. All right. Well, that's all of our Crumbl cookies, and this video will probably go up in 6 months because we've got.
It's going up this week.
We've got a truckload of videos that we've not posted from Christmas, so yeah, we'll see.
From
if it's this
Disneyland.
week.
I want to go back. I really do.
So Provost Park Pass just put up a deal where you can get 3 days and bundle. So we'll talk about it after this. So not friends of ours, but
we are friends.
We're
We follow them.
But
He doesn't follow us.
He doesn't know who we are, but we know who he is.
What's his first name?
Mark?
I don't know. I want to call him Chris.
Chris? Yeah, it is. I think it is Chris. I think
Mr.
it is.
Provost.
I don't know. I want to call
Is
Chris.
his last name Provost?
I think that's part of his deal. So
I don't know.
We'll edit all this
Does
out.
anybody know him? No, we're not editing this out. We We really wanted to meet him when we were at Disneyland over Christmas.
Unfortunately, we went during Christmas during the blackout period for most of
Yeah.
there. We got to see
Lisa Land.
who,
She was amazing and
Yes.
beautiful and just so kind.
Yep, and then that was the only vlogger up there we got to see really.
At Disneyland. But then when we were at Universal, we got to see Rick Licks and his sweet wife Nikki. They were the best. We saw them multiple times.
Yeah, I think we were stalking them, and they don't.
We
know.
weren't. They weren't even stalking us. They just didn't know it.
And the K3 sisters, we saw them.
We did. They were so cute.
Yeah.
The girls really loved them, and we're really fangirling over them.
I was really surprised. They don't fangirl
They
over
don't.
me. They're very cool.
And we saw the Levitts at Universal.
And she wouldn't let me.
I don't think they are bloggers or YouTubers.
They're just famous people. So.
They are the sweetest people.
But you wouldn't let me go. I said,
I want to be them when we grow up. Can we be them?
Yeah, we just gotta get old.
No, they're not. Don't say that. That's not nice.
All
we got
right.
to see Taylor.
Yeah, we got to see Taylor. So.
And we got a video with Taylor.
And video, so.
We probably saw multiple other people.
And didn't know it. So.
And didn't know.
Yeah, we were busy riding.
But they saw us and didn't know either.
Yeah. Well, all right. Well, we'll shut this one down, and it'll be posted sometime next year.
No, I'm putting it up this week.
We'll see. All right.